Hi everyone, my name is Christian Kvistgaard Persson. I'm a passionate wildlife photographer. I have a mission to show you through my lens what a magnificent planet we are living on, and I have one favor to ask you: to take care of that planet as long as you're here. In exchange, you can join me on my next photo journey, and you can have all my photo content totally free. If you like what you see, press thumbs up or hit the subscription button. See you out there. Hi everyone, as I promised, you are joining my next photo journey now. We'll be going to actually the same forest as we were last time, only with a slight change of focus. We'll be focusing on small birds that I saw the last time I was there. And I saw a seldom bird in Denmark the last time I was there. I saw the black woodpecker. So we will try to get some nice shots of this today. So join me for my tour. See you later. So on my way out to the forest, I had to make a quick stop on the road because I'm just driving from home, 5 minutes from home, and I'm passing this very beautiful field. It's a little bit frozen this morning. The sun is starting to come up. It's very, very beautiful. I'm looking to my left, and what do I see? 2 cranes walking around in the field. So I really stopped very hard, parked the car on the side of the road, and I think I got some really, really nice shots of the crane. We will have to check when we get home. So yeah, stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day today. Camera, big backpack. I'm thinking a bit filming also today. So I hear woodpecker and I hear a lot of other birds. I've seen the crane also down here. But yeah, let's just hit the road. So I've been in the middle of the forest, and actually I saw the woodpecker, not the black woodpecker, but the normal Danish woodpecker. I put up some pictures. Unfortunately, I had to participate in a telephone conference with work. By the way, I work at Hydro Extrusion Denmark, the best workplace on earth. But we had to do a telephone conference, so I got a little bit occupied. So now I'm walking out of the forest again, and I'm heading in the direction of where I think we can see the black woodpecker. So stay tuned. Just having a cup of coffee while we are moving to the next spot. And the next spot for today is the spot where I saw the black woodpecker last time. So thumbs up for that. Let's hope to see it again. Okay, so we parked the car and we are on our way to hopefully find the black woodpecker again. Shots of the black woodpecker from a safe distance with this nice guy. So absolutely good. I got some film of it also. Not very much light from the point I was standing, from the angle I was standing, but I hope they will be okay, the pictures. I was far down on the shutter speed just to get some light in, even if this is a very light, strong lens. But cross our fingers. Let's see when we get home. See you guys and girls. Hi everyone, I'm done for today, driving home again on the gravel roads. Never know what we could be lucky to see, some more wildlife hopefully. But on the other hand, I'm very excited to go home and check what's on the camera today. The black woodpecker is for me absolutely amazing. My good friend and photo buddy Vigo just reported also shooting the black woodpecker today. He's on a trip on an island in between Jylland and Sjælland. It's called Funen. So he also shot the black woodpecker today. And let me just say, it's not a normal bird in Denmark. It's not a bird you see every day, absolutely not. So this is, I think, very exciting. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Stay healthy, take care of each other, take care of our planet, and hopefully see you soon out there. Take care. Bye bye.